Yes, you're welcome to the Crypto Niche channel, and today I want to show you how to participate in Huobi IEO, the Huobi Primelist that you guys all know, or probably you're just hearing about Primelist for the first time, but you are familiar with Binance Launchpad. It is quite similar, okay, but only that on Huobi Primelist you get more allocation, more value for your money than you can ever get on Binance, and that is why I am on Binance, right? So I'm on Obi right now, okay, because uh it gives better ROI on the Binance Launchpad, all right. So I do both, but I enjoy this more. So when you come to the announcement page here, so you click on this, any icon that shows a prime list. Okay, so we have what's it called? We have 10 minutes to the end of this countdown, then we'll be able to register and sign in for these sales. All right, for these sales. So now this is the countdown. I'm going to pause this video now because I don't want to waste any of your time. But before I pause this video, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. You know, Crypto Niche channel is growing and growing and growing every day, and you want to be a part of this family. I have a playlist for you. There's a playlist of just anything you want to learn about crypto. Then there are videos, tons and tons of videos on crypto, so you can watch, learn how to make money in this space, how to get crypto jobs, how to trade and all that on, on the channel. So I'm going to come back here now and wait for this countdown to elapse, and I'll show you exactly how this thing works. So you're welcome back, guys, and as you can see, the countdown it's going down and down and down and down. So I'm logged in on my phone, and at the same time I'm logged in on PC, so that I'll be able to register as fast as possible, so that I can join the queue as fast as possible. Okay, so I have met up with all the criteria. Like, I need to do this amount of volume. Okay, register for the I. So I'm going to register via this holding. All right, because I have reasonable. So I'm able to register for it via mobile phone. Okay, it didn't work on PC. I don't know what is happening with the PC. It didn't work for it, but uh, the only way to confirm that we've been able to register for the token sale is this. Let me try it again. We're applying for this activity just now. Please try again. Okay, let me try again. Let me keep trying. So the only way to confirm if I've been able to register for it or not is to come to balance, then check this exchange account. If 50 USDT has been debited from my account, then it's an evidence that okay. So now 50 USDT has been debited from here. It's now in order. So I have over 300 HT right there in this particular account. Okay, so now they're going to remove part of this 50, and give me part of the DIO token in return. Then the rest will be returned back to the available balance. All right. So once I get that, I'm going to quickly convert that to USDT, because the goal is just to sell when it says 20x. All right. So I'm going to keep my eyes on these, while I'm waiting for this countdown. So once this countdown is over. So like 1 hour, in the next 1 hour, I'm going to check back and see if I've gotten the token or not. So if I get the token, I'm going to be making a video about it also. I'm probably add it to this content. All right. So that's all you need to know about how to register for IEO on Huobi Primelist. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and turn on your notification button. Like this video and ask me any question in the comment box. I'll be here to answer all your questions. Right? Okay, so share with your friends who want to also learn how to register for IEO on the platform. Okay, you can see that I tried to register because I try to select the option that says that I should register as HT holder. Okay, so you have two options. Either you make a high trading volume like 3 days before they start the IEO, because as you can see from the instruction here, where is it again? From the instruction here, okay, trading volume of 200 USDT in any digital asset between this date and now. Okay, so like 3 days before the IEO, when you make 300 USDT volume per day or more, then you can choose the second option that says that you should stay on queue. But to be honest with you guys, based on my experience in this thing called Huobi Primelist so far, it is difficult for you to secure slots without having HT token. That is the reality. All right, that is the reality of everything. So I will encourage you to sign up if you don't have an account on HT on Huobi. I have an affiliate link down below in the video. Sign up right there, and when you sign up, verify your account and start participating in the Huobi IEO. Watch the videos in the channel and you see how to do all of these things. Okay, so that's all about this concept, this opportunity. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye for now.